Yo, are we live? Yes, sir. We're live. What's up, boys? Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Um, got much better sleep today, so we're back, and soon you guys will see a different background. The move is coming closer and closer. Got about a week left till I'm in Florida, so yeah, excited, excited, and markets are getting volatile again. Oh, I have like stuff in my eyes. Literally woke up like 10 minutes ago. But yeah, we're having pretty expansive moves in the overnight. Like every day come in, like it's a pretty big range. So I mean today's range is pretty big, at least. We got, well, the other day it was like 300 points, and then yesterday was like 200, and it's pretty good. And then today is like, geez, 400 points. So yeah, I mean, safe to say the markets are ramping up a little bit, at least these past couple days. Um, we're still selling off though. I mean, we did have the move down that day for like 600 points, but still kind of stuck in this balance. I guess this wick low is a target, huh? Let me put that. Where is this wick low? Put it exactly where it is. Did we take it out yet? This is a overnight low. No, this is a RTH low from August 6th. Did we take it out yet? Or did we edge it? I think we edged it. Oh no, we took it out. So we took out this RTH low, and how much reaction are we having? Pretty much a 130 point reaction off that RTH low. Makes sense. I wish I was able to take that trade, but yeah, I guess that was a banger, huh? Sweep that low and push up. If we retrade the low, I mean, I would assume we run through it, but yeah, that must have been a nice trade. Did anyone catch that? I mean, I wasn't even awake, but that was fire. I mean, God, like no drawdown. Jeez. Well, now that we took that low, well, what we're gonna have to watch is to see if we can get through this low and hold above it, which is the prior day low. So yesterday's RTH low is right there. We're gonna have to get above that and hold above that. So far, we are having a reaction off of it pretty much. So we've had a 40-point reaction off of it as well. So the levels are leveling, that's for sure. Levels are leveling. So yeah, right now just looking to see which way we trade. Are we gonna do something like hold on, use the drawing tool. Polygon, no, not that. Is it a path? Yeah, it's a path. So right now I'm looking to see, because we swept this low, looking to see if we do something like this and go like that. So I'd want to see like a reclaim of this prior day low. That's what I'm looking at. Or I'm trying to see if we do this and go like that. Those are my two plays. I mean, given the current levels we're trapped in, those are my two plays for now. So Guess we wait and see, but that's what I'm looking at. And in between this range as well, it's almost 135 points, so it's pretty big if you ask me. So we got a lot of opportunity here, a lot of opportunity. And as far as order flow, I mean, we got some sellers trapped at the low. Um, Up here, I mean, not so much. So I'm leaning toward here, unless that was already what we needed to move up. Don't know, but yeah, we got 6 minutes, 7 minutes till the open, so we got time. And today we'll be doing a giveaway, so just stay tuned. Possibly another one tomorrow as well. We'll see, we'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me. As far as analysis, let's have a nice open. See what we can cook up. If I put a limit here, I mean, yeah, it's probably gonna get run through at the open. So you'd want to wait and see the reaction. That's what I would want to wait and see. So when I do the giveaway though, a lot of people have been like complaining about double entries. So it's probably gonna be like a timed thing. So you guys gonna have to like be on it. And if you're here, that's not an issue. But yeah, it's gonna hopefully prevent the double entry people. So just a heads up. What's up, AB, John Wick, Rowney, Sean Kiram, Ready, Goalie, Bud, J004. What's up, brother? What's up, Anna? What's up, James Bond? What's up, guys? What up, what up? Almost that time of the day, huh? Got about 5 minutes left. What's up, Sharad? What's up, what's up? Ready for action. So yeah, basically I'm partnering up with FundNext, giving away some FundNext accounts. Yeah, I don't know what account it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be a 50K. I think it's gonna be 50K, yeah. But it's gonna be free accounts. I get to give away 4 per month, so we only have 10 days into the month and left of the month. So probably do one today, one tomorrow, two next week, and then um, yeah, and then I'll be in Florida and we'll give away some more over there. $50K flex? I don't know. Let me see what they texted me. They just said I get to give away 4 accounts. I don't know what plan it is, because they launched the rapid plan, so they want to promote that. Um, I prefer the flex over it. I mean, just that's me personally, but okay. Giveaways for 50K flex accounts per month. Yes, because that's what I like to use. So I asked them. So yes, it's gonna be 4 50K flexes I get to give away, and I get kicked off this contract, so it's a 2 month contract to sign with them. I don't get paid anything, but I get to use a code, and if I get to bring enough people to FundNext, then I get to stay on and keep giving away accounts. So basically, I can't share too much info, obviously, because it's like a contract, but I can say that there's a monthly goal of signing up 20 people to FundNext using my code, and that's a quota. It's not like hard and set in stone, but if I'm able to bring 20 people and have them use my code, um, I get to basically stay on the program. So yeah, that's that. Um, And then, I have to post about it every now and then. But, it's part of the game. I have to do that with every firm. But yeah, it would mean a lot if you guys use the code support. And yes, we got a minute left till the open. So let's see what presents itself. So far we're looking at those two levels like I mentioned early on. And yeah, and let's see what order flow brings us. We got two areas of interest. Just how does the giveaway work? So you'll see. Just stay active in chat and on stream, and I'll be launching the giveaway when it's time. And you'll have to act quick just so we avoid those double entry people. Alright guys, a minute left till the open. Let's get it. Just to start, you need a man all work out. I hope so. I think all will work out. That's a mentality you have to have, right? Glass half full, not glass half empty. That's you don't get anywhere with that. So always, always, always glass half full. I'm type of guy. All right, guys, we're getting there. We're getting there. It's that time, guys. It's that time. 30 seconds. Okay, we are now open. Do we react off the prior day? That's the first question. Kind of running through it. We'll see if we can come back down. Okay, see if I get filled. I don't think I do. Okay, try it there. So far, I'm liking the reaction off of the prior day. We'll see if it continues. Just looking for a quick scalp, at least for the first trim. Okay, stopped out on that. That's a no-go. And that's a good stop out. Okay, we're just flying. All right, now I'd only wait for a retest. I don't think I would take this long here. I was liking the move down. Didn't get it though. That would have been nice because we had this gap, we had this void here. That's pretty much a free 40, 50 points. Unlucky. Coming back down into the 400s. I mean, we're waking up a little bit. I missed that. I mean, yeah, that was a nice trade off 400s. It's a nice reaction. I do think we see a bit lower, so I didn't really want to get in front of that. Where are the bubbles? Oh, it's just there's no bubbles coming up right now, but I have some down here. When did you start trading? 4 years ago? Yeah, it's been 4 years. It's been a while. I didn't really see profitability for my first three. I would see payouts like here and there, but it wasn't enough. It wasn't enough to pay the bills, so it took me a little bit longer than most. What up, Hattie? What up, what up, what up? Are the bubbles in NT accurate? I see that they're different NT than Sierra charts. Well, this is deep charts, not Sierra, but the bubbles in NT, they are accurate. It's just they don't show all the bubbles. That's the issue. What's up, James? Do you remember the first firm you traded with? First firm I traded with, I remember it was Top Step. They had two-step evals back in the day. And it was really expensive. You have to pay for the eval, and then you have to pay for the $149 activation fee. They didn't have any option of no activation fee back then. It was Top Step first, then it was Apex, and then I traded with a firm called Elite Trader Funding. I thought they were good, and they were not that good. And then, then I kind of ventured into like all these other firms. There's so many firms out there. Like Tradeify wasn't even born yet at that time. Lucid wasn't born yet. So I was like OG in the prop space. OG. All right. Well, are we gonna give up this level, or what are we doing? I kind of want to see us retrade the open print, but okay, nice reaction. Seeing some order flow come in. 380s. That's the trade. It just happened way too fast. That was the trade I was looking for. A wick back into the prior day, and we defended it. Jesus. I mean, I called that out and I went for 50 points. I didn't take it. Damn. Damn, that was so fast. Like an instant like 75 pointer. Jesus Christ. Maybe I should have put a limit down there. Right here. This was a play from pre-market. God damn. Well, we are defending the interest higher. Now let's see if we can manage our risk on a pullback or something. See if we can get in on the longs. Let's see. Yeah, I'd want to get in a pullback, maybe around 410s, 400s. Might be too much. Might just see it off like 420, 430s. But, I mean, I'd take a structure-based trade on this. I do think we can go higher. Oh, what's up, Matthias? What up, what up? Good to see you here. What was your first payout and how much was it? My first payout was 1500 with Apex. It was on a 25K account. I remember that payout because I got that payout and I scaled way too fast. I got like 5 accounts and I just torched them. And I was down like $500, $600 for my payout, and that was brutal. I legit remember that. That was like a lesson in like not to scale so fast. What's up, Rakshith? What's up, Jack Sparrow? Omar says WTF, I entered at 29414 and there's an invisible bracket that's stopping out. 29414. Oh yeah, yeah, you must have got wicked out on that thing, that move. Black the master? Oh my goodness. Alright, we're coming down. We'll see if we can get in off a retest. I mean, where's an area I'd want to manage risk? Probably around 425s, 410s. It's just not seeing enough of a pullback. Is this all we get off 430? Come on. Just give a little bit more. ES just hitting the VWAP. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's fib it actually. Let's see. Top of the range here. Oh, we hit 50% of the range. Okay. We might see a reaction here. Move down. I mean, we'll see how aggressive this buying is. We'll see how aggressive this is, but yeah, this is like 50% of the range so far. So we will see. I don't think we have any issues getting through it. I mean, we might be able to go test NQ's VWAP at 500. That's what I'm paying attention toward. Let me check ES though. Let's see what ES is doing on my other screen. ES, I mean, yeah, it's also at like 50% of its range. Alright, let me fib it just to be safe. Let's see. ES, ES, ES. The question is, do we take out the overnight low or high today? That is the question. Alright, we're coming down. See if we can take a trade. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try it here off 400. Oh, I didn't get filled. Remove all this. Damn, did I not get filled? Okay, filled now. This is off the opening range, mid. Let's see if it provides. It's a good spot in my opinion. Put a 10-point stop. I like this stop. Whoops. What the hell? The hell just happened to my charts? I got stopped out by one tick and it's moving up. Jeez. Jeez. God. That's insane. I took one take stop out. Oh my god. That's actually insane, dude. I took. Oh my god. Yeah, that's wild. Damn. We had the right idea. Just too tight. I assume this flies now, too. Yeah, legit. I got stopped out by one tick. That's crazy. How you liking order flow? It's good. Gives me an extra confluence, extra layer. Um, yeah, it's good. I mean, it can't help me with the one tick stop outs, but it's good. Helps you manage risk as well. Helps you bias a little bit as well. Like you see this trap selling down here, and it's like you don't really want to be getting short into that unless we trade a little bit lower. So then you're inclined to look for longs, and longs we did, but my stop was just too tight. Nothing you can do about that. But god damn. Yeah, guess we just got stopped out by a tick. That's crazy. Let me change this account and put some gains on fresh accounts. This account's taking a beating. I do have TradeSyncer. I also considered the other day, why not trade on TradeSyncer? The guy who asked me on stream why not trade 10 to 20 accounts, I was like, I mean, I don't have to trade all my accounts, but maybe why not trade like 10 accounts with low size? I was considering it. I'll have to give it some more thought though, but it's not a bad idea. You trade low enough size, but then it doesn't become as worth it, just because you don't have enough leverage, but it's valid. I was giving it some thought the other day. How many accounts you trade now? Right now I have like 10 plus. I want to say I have 2 at Tradeify. I know I have a couple evals at Fun and Next. I have a couple evals at Blue Guardian. Yeah, it might not even be 10 actually. I lost a couple accounts in Asia the other day, so yeah, it might not be. I had more like 2 weeks ago. I had like 15, 20. So yeah, I had like 15 plus, but a little bit less now. All right, guys, let's not get stopped out by one take. Let's try and actually catch a banger here. We need a banger. A banger would save me right now. Would be nice as hell. Get this snipping tool. All right, what are we doing here? Are we gonna get through the opening range mid, or are we gonna get through the opening range high? I prefer a long, so I'm not really inclined to short this up here at 60s. I do see it though. I mean, when it breaks, it's gonna break. You guys see how many wicks we're leaving here? The wicks do get run eventually, so. But until then, it's a great spot to manage risk. I mean, once again, you could have shorted 60. Tough though, but yeah, you could have shorted 60. It was a nice trade. 40 points, jeez, in a minute. Less than a minute. Crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Someone says market looks bullish. Yeah, I think so. I think so. But all you can do is get long, lean against areas that where you can manage risk. So it doesn't matter if it's bullish or bearish. All you're looking for is how can I execute on this. And right now, we're seeing where we can execute. 74s would be ideal. Okay. On this account, we're sizing a bit lower. Sizing a bit lower. We'll put a limit over here at 75. Yeah, 75. If this fails, I mean, I think it should be a bottom tick. Considered the trend and considering the order flow we're seeing, I doubt. We'll see. This might be a little bit aggressive. It might just go off 80s, in my opinion. We'll see, we'll see. Made the move off of 90, huh? There's 15 points off, 15 points greedy. I wanted the best entry. Coming down again. Okay, come on. See if we get the fill. I know it's a bit greedy. I know I'm trying to be aggressive as possible. I mean, I could just move it up a bit and take a bigger stop loss, but come on. Come on. We're so close. 6 points away. 75. So I'll give it a 15-point stop. Down to 50s or 60s looks good. Okay, we're filled. Nice reaction so far. Come on. I want to see it move up, turn this candle, and move it to break even. Come on. Okay, I'm moving it up. I like that reaction. If we come back and retrade it, I think we're cooked, so I think it makes sense to stop out like this. Yeah, it's a beautiful wick into the area, and we were up $500. Oh, we're up 25 points instantly. Bottom take, and then it just takes me out. That was a great area to try it. Now where do I try it? Now I'm confused. We're breaking structure lower, or oh, I'm trying to find the best entry possible, man. This is low-key confusing me. If it stops me out, I want to see it trade lower, but I don't want to see it trade lower. Okay, I mean, I guess we could try it off 42, which is the opening range low. I'll put it at like 38. Yeah. After this, I mean, there's a point where you got to start looking for shorts. We'll see. We'll see. 39 is what I'm trying. I do think you could also try it off 26. 26 or 39? Ah, what to do? 26 or 39? I wonder if it just reclaims here. Maybe try a 58, risking 48. So another place to manage risk. This would be like the final tell, I think, if we are gonna actually trade higher in this range. If not, I think we trade lower. I wonder if trading higher. I mean, I think we are. I mean, I like the reaction off it, the wick into it. Come on. All right, we're filled. Stop is underneath this wick, so it's pretty defined. I mean, once again, we're up 15 points instantly. I mean, I'm gonna move it to break even. I'm closer. I'll take 4-point stop out. Okay, I mean, I like this, bro. I just don't think I can hold this. I wish I was in 2 contracts. I could take a trim. God, it's such a beautiful reaction off the low, off my entry, I mean. Jeez, I genuinely don't know what to do. I'm up 30 points instantly every time, and it comes back and stops me out. Jeez, I don't know. I'm able to find spots, and then it just runs through it, dude. I mean, here's another spot. But I keep getting run through on the longs. Taking like 3-point stops over and over. It's fine. It's totally fine, but it's like, it makes you question your bias. It's not about like the money or the capital, just like makes you double guess yourself. Like, am I right? Am I right to look for longs? I mean, I'm able to bottom ticket, just not see any continuation of it. I mean, geez. Try it again here. Give it another 10-point stop. This is off of the levels just talking about. I genuinely just might scalp this, bro. I don't think I can hold this, man. I can't even scalp that one. I was up 10 points instantly. That was nothing. I don't really. I think it's time to consider the shorts, guys. I really think it's time. Consider these shorts. Find a nice entry here and see if I can hold a short. So right now I've just been getting paper cut after paper cut. Yeah, I mean, if I took profit at 1 to 2 R, I would take TP every time, but I'm just looking for like more. All right, we'll see if we can short off of the 45s, 45 50s. That'd be an area to lean short against. We see a reaction here. Okay, we trying it. Don't cook me. Take a 20-point stop on this. I feel like I might need it. Okay, I like the reaction. Looks like we're trending down, so let's see a little bit lower. Again, dude, instant up 15 points. Okay, I'm moving my stop down to 10 points. I don't want to see it trade higher past my entry, but I'll give it 10 points still. I think I might just get break even if I do that. Just gotta get underneath these orders here. Struggling to give up this level. Good God, dude. Good God. I try the shorts, I get cooked. I try the longs, I get break even. Where else can I get short? Is it just gonna stop me and go? Or is that just a move? God, there's no order flow for us to like really see move higher. Like I don't really think we're getting stopped out. I'll just take my stop, I guess. Yeah, rough market for me. I mean, I'm managing risk well, but rough, rough, rough. Can't really catch a break. There's a significant delay. Try adjusting the stream settings to ultra low latency. Okay. Let me see how I can do that. I have to go into like YouTube Studio, huh? Too much delay. Okay, okay. I hear a bunch of people talking about delay. Guys, let me check this out. Let me see what I can do. Yeah, I guess, yeah. It'd be hard to capture some of these trades I'm taking. I mean, it's not a signal bot service, but you guys you're definitely welcome to try it with me. But if it's delayed, I understand. So let me see how I can fix this. Ultra low latency. How do I even fix that? Dude, I don't think I can fix that on my end. Alright, let me Google it. God, nice reaction on 400 though. Jesus Christ. It's just, bro. Good God. Nice reaction off opening range mid. Alright, let's Google this. Alright, I'm watching a video. See if this guy's knows what he's talking about. Settings. Oh my god, this is like foreign language. Okay, I figured out how to. So I'm on normal latency, so I figured out that you can go on ultra low latency. I just can't change that midstream, but then this guy's saying I could do something else, so I'm gonna see if I could do that right now. But for tomorrow, yeah, it should be ultra low latency. So I think it's like a 2 second delay or 5 second delay. Let's see. YouTube gaming. Okay. Okay, I figured it out. But I can't change it midstream. That's the issue. So for tomorrow, it'll be good. I know what to change. So yes, that's good that you guys called it out though. So I was able to switch it up. All right. So what are we doing here? Are we moving up or are we moving down? Well, higher time frame wise, I want to say up. Yeah, definitely want to say up higher time frame wise. I mean, just take a look at the 15. So is the overnight high in play or I mean that'd be crazy, but yeah, we just have to get through the session view up at 460s if we're able to see that. I think if we get through 460s, 500s, it's a pretty straight shot up to the overnight high. For now, I mean, I do think on the day, I mean, we're way closer to the overnight low, like 100 points away, and we're like 300 away from the overnight high. So, yeah, I mean, that's a big ask to move up all the way up there. But, I mean, we did take out this RTH low. It's definitely doable. I think we could see the overnight high. I would not initiate along though unless we reclaim 450s. Yeah, I'd want to see a 450s reclaim. Get above session VWAP, and by then ES should also be climbing. That'll be a nice telltale sign as well. Both of them are pretty even right now. I don't see a big divergence, which is good. That's good. Yeah, pretty much the same thing. I mean, I want to say the low gets taken, but we'll see. It'd be nice to see the high get taken. That'd be a huge, huge move, or like really expansive move. But yeah, thanks Matthias and everybody else who told me about the delay. It'll be fixed for tomorrow. Fill this void maybe. Don't hate the longs, but I don't have a clear lean on liquidity. I don't have a clear lean on like only thing I mean I'm seeing now is the reaction of taking out the RTH low here by like a point and moving up off it. Pretty much moved up already off it. That move's done, I would say. Swept it by a point, moved up 220 points. Now retracement, potentially long. Maybe is this a lower? Is this a higher low? That's what I'm thinking right now. I definitely could try longs, but I really want the longs on the reclaim. I don't mind a long with a tighter stop down here, but I feel like I would just get stopped out. Yeah, I feel like I would just get stopped out. That's the thing. I feel like on the reclaim I'd have a better chance, but who knows? Who knows? At the end of the day, all you can do is manage your risk. So yeah, if we sweep the low or something, I think I'll give it a shot. Looking weak. I prefer shorts now. I mean, yeah, I do as well. I do think the overnight low is in play, but it really doesn't matter bias wise as long as you're managing risk, like, and taking some profits. Like, dude, every time I'm entering, I'm up like 30, 40 points. I'm not taking profit. I'm looking for bigger move, and that is where bias comes into play. But as long as you're entering at like the levels normally give you reaction, and then you can set it to break even and just pray that you're right on bias. This session was challenging. I think ES was cleaner. Was it cleaner? Let's see. ES, maybe. I mean, it's not moving as much. Okay, nice move. Yeah, that's a nice move. See if we can reclaim and get above 450s. So I'd want to see that. We just wicked up against the prior day low. Prior day low is kind of holding us back right now. We want to get above that, above 375s. Where else could I enter? Um, yeah, I mean, I was only gonna enter off the sweep, so we didn't get that. Just moved off it, so Well, let's just see if we can get through this area here. This area has been met with like, there's a lot of delta as well, right here. Nothing too crazy, but just a little like more than what you've seen in the session so far. Reacting off that. Guess we're not going just with the low, huh? I mean, I like the reaction. Risk-wise, you enter there, you gotta give it 20 points risk. You gotta put your stop at the low. So, and then if the low breaks, I mean, yeah, I don't like it risk-wise. I mean, I see the move, I just don't see the risk to reward. Yeah, nice move though. Okay, let's see if we can get through this level here. We're met with just selling every time we get here. Okay, got some market buyers. Let's put this down to the 1 minute. We'll keep this on the 5 minute. Just gotta get through the mid, opening range mid. There's just like so many roadblocks in the way for us to move higher. Like I mean, we have so many obstacles in the way, I feel like. It's like you break one level and there's another level right there, 10 points higher. After this, I mean, that'd be nice. There's only OR mid up there, so 400s go to C450s and then hold above 450s for the move up. That's my hope. Maybe try long off 74. I see the merit to that trade. It's not bad. I missed it. It's 75.75, instant 10 points. Just pretty much off the prior day because we were struggling to get through it and now we're above it and testing it. So, alright, well, I give it a shot here. Alright, I give it a shot here. 10 points risk? Yeah, just the regular. Alright, I'll move it to break even. Please don't stop me at break even. That'll be like the 10th time this session. I'll probably crash out. Come on. Let me book some profits here. Oh, come on. Let's back down. Give it like 5 points. I hope that 5 point stop saves me because I would have got stopped break even if I didn't. Come on, let me book some profits here. Come on. Looking for 400s. Dude, seriously? Like came a takeaway? Bro. Bro, oh my goodness. A takeaway. Dude, seriously? Okay. Alright, I mean, like, as you guys can see, I mean, I'm, like, bottom taking my entries, but I'm glad I took profits right back to my entry. Jesus Christ. No, not quite, but pretty much back down. That's crazy. Nice little 30-pointer, though. Like 5 points drawdown. Just gotta lock in, man. Just gotta lock in. Try it again here. I mean, as you level just gets weaker and weaker, so I don't really. We're giving it up. Okay, I'll try it again. See if it's just a look below the level. Up 15 points instantly. Can't get through the level though. That's concerning. I want to see it above 75s. Dude, can I just not hold a trade past like 15, 20 points? Like every time I enter, it's instantly in my favor, dude. God damn. Size wrong in blue lucid. What happened? What was your sizing? Was it 50k, 25k? On a 25k, it's tough, but on a 50k, like you get away with one mini if you're using like tight stops like I am. But then if you take like 5 paper cuts, then you get cooked. Or 10 paper cuts. They're watching me? I don't think so. I only have like 30 viewers. I blew Legends by my 50% even on Lucid. Oh, Legends! That's a good firm actually. I don't know about good firm, but that's a firm I have not traded with. I know some people have traded with that firm. You try the longs here, pray it doesn't sweep the low. Alright, I had too aggressive without checking size. Happens. Sometimes I just spam buy bid and it adds me in like too much contracts. I'd prefer a sweep of the low if I want to enter this long. Tempting though, like what if it doesn't sweep the low? It's tempting. And then it's like you missed it. It's tempting me. If I enter here, I have to take a 20-point stop though. That's why I'm like debating. And then I'd want to see lower, but it's not going lower. So it's like, do I enter and risk or not and just watch? Coming down a little bit. I need a little bit more to get in on this. Maybe like 310s. Unless that's too much to ask. 313s is all we got. Oh my goodness. Yeah, maybe I'm just being hyper aggressive, but I like getting the best entries possible so I can put a small stop. Yeah, maybe I'm just being hyper aggressive. Is my mic muted? I don't know what is going on. I don't know why it mutes by itself, dude. Good comms though. I'm glad you caught that. Yeah, my mic is just retarded. I don't understand my mic sometimes. I didn't mute it. I didn't do anything. Well, nice trade. As I was just saying earlier that I'm glad I sized up on this one. And I was like, dude, I can't get a trade past 30, 40 points in my favor. So
Thank God. We finally found a trade. All my hard work paid off. Dude, you were sounding better on the cleanup for the first time. Oh, I don't know what I clicked. I just clicked something in my OBS. I'll show you what I clicked. So my mic was set to, so like right here, right? So this is what I use. So normally I just click default. So if this sounds better, then I'll keep it like that. But guys, what a trade. Oh my goodness. We're approaching 100 points on this trade. We're back. We're back. It's another 100-point day, guys. Well, I already locked in money on the first contract, so. But it'd be nice to hit a single trade with 100 points here. Come on, come on. Let's see the 100-point trade here. Where do you take your profits? I'm looking for a little bit more, but I already taken one contract for a great deal of money, and now I'm looking for just a little break of this range. We saw us, attempt lower, so we're all the way back to the other end of the range. I mean, I want to see it move back up to 450. Do we get it though? Do we not? Do we just stop out on the runner? I would hate to see this runner stop out after it's up like 95 points. Jesus. Chop chop, I need money. Oh, you missed the first long that printed with like no drawdown. I entered after the sweep as well, so I didn't see this wick. Can't get through the range. Come on, let's get through the range. Come on, let's go see the overnight highs. Wouldn't that be something? Yeah, honestly, I mean, I've been saying, where should I take profits? Where do I take profits? I should, honestly, at the range high. I'm just being a bit greedy, which I can allow myself to, just because I locked in money on that first contract, but then seeing this go to zero would hurt a lot. So, dilemma here. Let me just close it here. And I can't let the runner go all the way down to zero. At least lock in some gains. Trail it up to like this. I mean, that'd be $600. Jeez. Golly. Can't see a 100-point trade. I was 3 points away, guys. Right there. I was 3 points away. Just stop out. Let me just put it up this way, club. Alright. We're out of that one. You just can't hold it for the larger time frame, I guess. I mean, I could have risked break even, but dude, I was up 97 points on that, and I let it come back to 35. So at least book some profit. Yeah, it's fine. We just chop and it trends overnight. Exactly. I mean, dude, look at my entries. It's always just like insane. Can't hold it for shit though. Always tough to hold through. I mean, it probably goes. I'm just like, I can't see physically. I cannot see a trade be of 97 points and come back to zero. Like, I don't care if it's a runner. I don't care what it is, but I just can't see that. So, but if it goes up, I mean, all I'll say is good. I had the right idea, but I'm not in it anymore. So, really, just a 100-point range. It really just is a 100-point range. That's cooked. What is RTH nowadays, man? Bring back the old RTH? If it comes back to the 300s, do you think we can run it up again, or this time make it lower? The obvious draw on liquidity is 240. I do think we end up seeing that if we just start chopping this range, but if we're able to break out of this range above 400s, then 690 is probably in play. So I don't like the longs anymore, but if it's just gonna keep ranging, it's gonna print for you. So yeah, I don't know. It's hard because anytime I enter my position, I don't want to see it retrade my position. Then it makes me like second guess my idea. Goodness. Yeah, I can't give you a clear answer on that. I'm sorry. If it comes back to 300s, I really don't know. I really, really don't know. Like, eventually it's going to sweep something. It's eventually going to sweep 400 or 300. And I'm assuming it's 300 just because we have the low here, 240, the Asia low. So, you do the math. I mean, do you want to be in that trade when it sweeps the low and goes for the 240? Probably not. So, I don't know, man. I don't know. I guess just play the range until it breaks. Yes, disgusting range. God. Holy disgust. Can't hold a trade. And like, I'm so disgusted. I'm not trading like inside the range. It has to be edges now. I understand how the market's moving. I understand it now. Took a mean L today. Damn. What'd you take? It's fine if you take an L. Just don't blow your account. Manage your risk properly. Okay, cool. Just want to pick your brain a bit. Yeah, no, I don't really see anything. There's nothing like huge order flow wise or level wise I have. Why is the PA just trying to screw us and nothing else? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Is Lucid giving any giveaways? Let's see. We still need a couple people to use my code on Lucid, and then we can do a giveaway there. So far, we just have fun and next, which I'll be doing at the end of the stream. Let's see. Do we make any progress on Lucid? Close. Let me show you guys what we're at on Lucid. Once we hit 500 here, I can take away 2 accounts. So, getting there. We need $72 more. Shoot, I don't want to show sensitive info, but typically this is how it looks. So I would say $73. That'd be like what, eight more accounts, 7 accounts. So if you guys shop at Lucid, just use code BLACK, obviously. Support the stream and give away those accounts soon as well. Obviously, I'm not using it for myself. I would never do that. Plus, I'm on Lucid Max, so yeah. So far, nothing to do if this chop's in the middle of the range. Nothing to do. It's just chop price action. Looking like it might trade below the range, but I don't know. Think we sweep lows here? Yeah, maybe. Probably. I don't know. I guess not. I guess we're moving up. Alright guys, let's just do the giveaway now. I don't think I'm trading this anymore. Seems pretty bullshit to me. So drop a W in the chat, like up the stream, and yeah, I'll give you guys like 30 seconds to do that. So we avoid like bots. So 30 seconds starting now. Oh, there's a stream delay, so I'll start it in like 5 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. Drop a W. Gotta be quick. Single entries, guys. Single entries. Alright, time's up. From my message, time's up. Okay, logged in. Put it into Claude because obviously I saw some double entries. Well, not double entries, just people typing random stuff. Like Jeremy, I see you, bro. Bro's putting an E in there. No, as long as you type something. Did you type anything? Yeah, you did. Put a Z in there, bro. Oh, yeah, it's fine. Hold on, let me put my screen as black so I don't share info. Okay, Claude is doing its thing. Let it cook on the side. Bruh. Claude, talk to me like I'm a profitable trader. God, why is it taking so long? This is such an easy task, man. Do I have to be on like Fable 5, dude? Are we serious? Oh my god, bro. Holy. Look at this, bro. It's taking forever. Okay, there we go. Bro, look at this. J Sherbo showed up with a different trailing letter almost every time. W, M, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Bro, are we serious? Okay, so we have a couple entries. Let's go to the wheel. Oh, we're breaking up, huh? Okay, so if I didn't take my break-even stop, well, I would have round trip like I would have been up 97 points, down or back to up 20 points, and now up like 100 plus. Jeez. Yeah, I mean, I'm glad I got out. It's fun. Okay, we are go for action. Let's do it. Here we go. Here are our contestants. How do I enter the giveaway? Too late, guys. Too late. Too late. Too late. Too late. We are starting it. It's almost over. Here we go. Okay, we got our winner. Haha ED 8QM. You got to. How do I get your email info? If you're not comfortable sending it here in chat, then you can DM it to me on Discord. Just send me a friend request, MasterBlack64, and we'll go from there. But for the next set, they will give it to me faster now, so I'm partnering with them, so they'll give you accounts faster. We'll partner with them. I don't get any money. It's just like a partner, if I'm being a partner. I don't get any like retainers or anything like that. But yeah, DM me, bro, or send me your email here. Doesn't matter. James Bond. Wait, my name's not entered. I thought I. I thought I had you in there. Let me see. So I put like a timer on screen, and if you see here, so haha was the first one, and yeah, so I put a timer on screen, and then when the timer's up, I said time up, and then I just copied and pasted from here, and I put it into Claude. So if you didn't make it when I said time up, then yeah, you're not in the giveaway. Because this is to combat like double entry, so we have to move faster now. So yeah, where's James Bond? I don't see you till way down here. Yeah, once I send this message, I hope you guys saw that. Okay, haha, you sent me a request. What is your Discord username? Because I have a lot of Discord friend requests, but I can't accept them. Can you put it in the chat here? But you shouldn't do spins all the time. Should be based on skills. I wanted to base on skills, but people keep asking me for spins. Yeah, that one time I was gonna do 3 winners, and they just asked me for luck-based giveaway. And I was gonna make it non-luck based. Yeah, here we go. So this is when I started the timer. And I know there's stream delay, so I waited for like 10-15 seconds to do that. So you had to act really quick there. Okay, so yeah, haha, what is your Discord username? Okay, there we go. So in order to win, in order to claim it, so I need you to go to my Twitter post and comment there. One sec. These people told me to do something. They told me, like, if you win the giveaway, you have to... Okay. I have to announce the winner. It's just a single giveaway. Fun and X, honestly, be doing too much, but it's fine. I know a workaround. So I'll have you go to my recent X post, and I'll have you say thank you for winning the giveaway, or thank you for picking me, or something like that. Just so I have it there, so I can screenshot that and send it to them. And yes, go like that. I'll send it to you on Discord. Yeah. Okay. We're breaking up, huh? Are we gonna break past 450? Yes, there'll be another giveaway tomorrow. Don't worry. Do not worry. You don't have to explain it. It's your giveaway. You can do it however you want. Well, I have been doing it however I want. But who the hell's having a shake right now? My brother. Yeah, that's why the audio output is changed to my camera. So, yeah, the audio is a bit cooked, but. Bruh, Master Black stream, perfect time to blend a smoothie. Yeah. Yeah, sorry guys. Sorry guys. It is what it is. Well, there'll be another giveaway tomorrow, so hopefully you guys can win that one. But I have to do it this way because I had too many double entries. Which is fine. I respect the hustle, but I also want people to win who don't double enter. Because every time I did giveaways in the past, we had people. Like, there was like 10 people on stream, and there's like 15 giveaway entries, 16 giveaway entries. So that's why. That's why I'm moving a little quicker now. But yeah, no, I don't mind explaining why I'm running it like this. Unfortunate though, I see a lot of people who are active in chat not get to enter. That is unfortunate. And people here early. Yeah, I'll give you guys more time tomorrow. That is unfortunate though. It makes me sad because I want you guys to win. You guys are here every day in chat, but alright guys, it's coming up on hour 30 here. What is this candle? 40 points out of nowhere. Okay. Finish the giveaway. Okay, thank you for the comment, and I will send it over to the team. I hope your account is there by tomorrow, because I'm going to send it to it right now. and I hope she gives it to you ASAP. So hopefully she gives it to you today. But yeah. Oh, give less time. People are actually wanting less time. People that only appear for giveaway don't deserve it. That's true, but then is it too little where people who are actually here don't have time to react? I mean, if you're here, you're watching the stream, right? Or you're just having another tab. So I guess, yeah, I guess. I mean, you could also be doing something. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. I'll have to let it marinate, but maybe we'll keep it the same. It wasn't like too bad today. It was like a minute. No, it was like 30 seconds. Yeah, so it wasn't too bad, I feel like. So we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. Better for the pot. Yeah, I see. I see both sides. I see both sides. It's tough when you're like I'm the person in the position where like I'm in charge of this. It's a bit tough. You feel like guilty. Um, but then you also want people to win who are actually here. So I don't know. All right, enough about that topic. But yeah, I will call it a day here, guys. We're just chopping in the range. I thought we'd break out and we see a freaking 40-point dumper back into the range. I would not be surprised if we don't see any overnight levels be taken out today. If we just chop here, I would not be surprised. That's a good sport. That's a good sport. I agree, but it sucks people like me who are here since start. But anyways, tomorrow hopefully. That's a good sport right there. I respect that a lot. But yeah, GG's guys. I'm gonna call it a day here. Stream for an hour and a half. I'll be on tomorrow. Give away another account tomorrow, and then hopefully we'll give away Lucid next week. But catch you guys tomorrow. Peace, 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 peace.